Hello everyone. So in this video we will see stocks for tomorrow 14th July, and the first stock is JK Lakshmi. This will buy above 675. IEX will buy above 414. Sumicam will buy above 443. Maharashtra Seamless will buy above 335. Sorry, this is I have to correct. So this will buy above 335. Goodyear will buy above 1240. High is 1237, so 3 point buffer will buy above 1240, and this you can buy for swing as well, and you can keep stop loss somewhere around 1270, or you can keep 1290 as well, but wait for 15-minute candle close. So this you can buy for swing as well. Then we have Minda Corp. Minda Corp will buy above 141, this high. Next is AVFRL. Today it has given breakout, and first time I suggested for swing around this level, I think 195. So now this will buy above 231 for intraday, today's high. Then we have MCX. MCX has given a trend line breakout, but for safe side we'll buy above this zone, this rejection zone. Last time also it broken the TL and came down, so this will buy above 1650. Then we have PSP project. This is bit risky, but we can buy above 480 and we'll keep stop loss of 475. Then we have Tata Invest. Tata Invest we can buy above 1175, above high of all these candles. Then we have Fina Cables. Fina Cables will buy above 560. So last time also I have given this above 540 because it was consolidating here. Then we have Century Ply. So this you can keep in radar. We'll buy above 448. And IIFL, this also keep in radar. We'll buy above 290. In cash stocks, we have HSIL. This we will buy above 265 in intraday. AWHCL, Antony Waste. So today it has given good move. It has crossed this zone as well. So now we'll buy above 380. And you can buy this for swing as well. But you have to keep stop loss somewhere around 335. So you can buy in dips also. Then we have Stovecraft. Stovecraft will buy above 815. Navkar Corp, this also has given a good breakout. So now this will buy above 51. Phenolux Chemical, this also we can buy above 96 when it breaks this range. Bodal Chemical we can buy above day high 120. Sanofi we can buy for swing above 8100, but buy only for swing because in intraday the spread is big. So this today has taken resistance at trend line, so you'll buy above when it breaks this trend line 8100. Bent also you can buy only for swing because it has given this breakout on, let's see, on weekly chart it has given breakout. So this also you can buy for swing. Next is Supreme Petro. This also only swing you can buy. So this has given a trend line breakout. Now we will buy this above 760 and buy this for swing, and stop loss you keep below this trend line. Silpamed. So this stock I have given in last video. So what if I want to show you? Whenever a breakout happens, always ignore that in first 5 minutes. Don't jump into trade, and I will advise you to take trade at least after 9:30. So it opened gap up 6:13, and you see it has not broken the first 5 minute candle. So most breakouts happens in early morning, so avoid. Same thing happened in Wheels India also. You see the first 5 minute candle. So don't jump into the trade as soon they open. You see in first 5 minutes only it moved till here 666 666, and Silpamed also. So always avoid trade before 9:30. So these two was just an example to show you. And in support, Nucleus Software, this has given a breakout last week, and now it is retracing, so we can buy this around 650, 660 if it comes here and takes support. Astra Micro, this is still consolidating over previous support level, so the best entry level is 185, but if you want to buy, you can take risk with a small stop loss around 155%. AV Capital, this already bounced. Now the new buy we will initiate. The bull level is 132, but if you want to take risk, you can buy around, if it breaks this trend line and sustain around 125, 126, you can buy for swing. Masdoc, this is also moving around support. And the best entry level will be 258, 259, and it can come here also. Blue Star Co, this also made a good base and then breakout and now consolidating. So stop loss you have to keep somewhere around 836, but best buy level will be 890. VGuard, this is also at support, don't know what it is doing. So it can make a flag as well. Let's see. Take Industry, oh, okay, sorry, Take Solution. So this is the support level of Take Solution around 60 level. So you can see how you can use this. Hind Copper, this will buy if it breaks trend line, but the best level will be this area 157. Above this, it will confirm like reversal is actually happening. So that's it for today. Thank you, everyone.